Well, today has been one of those days. All in all, just not a good day. I have experienced a flood. The road is barricaded and it says bridge out. Well, the alarm bells are going off this morning. Well, more trouble on the... This morning, I don't have my travel mug with me. Now my phone seems to be having a little problem because I can't take my heart medication until I eat. I'm kind of walking around looking up in the air right now, waiting for a tree limb to fall on me because, boy, throw it at me, man. Hey folks, the Old Biker Dude Show is an Old Biker Dude feature film presentation. Greetings, everybody. Okay, y'all want to hear a little story? Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure featuring camping, cooking, and fishing. I'm an old biker dude, man. Oh, we got us another one here. Looky here. Well, today seems like a great day. Man, it's Monday morning. There are no campers out here. I am the only person within 10 or 15 miles of this place. Nobody anywhere. Well, okay then. Let's see how our coffee's doing. Oh yeah, percolating along. Well, hopefully we're gonna have a better day today. Well, yesterday was they were throwing it at me yesterday, weren't they? You'd almost have to think today's gonna be a better day by proxy. Nice sky. Look at that. Wow. Little solar power check. Oh, sure enough. The little LiPool's battery's still delivering 88 watts. And it's at 79% this morning. Man, that little LiPool's battery, that thing is amazing. LiPool's 12.8 volt 100 amp battery. Wow. Those things are awesome. Oh yeah. You know, mornings like this when I'm up here in the national forest or somewhere off in nature, and where you can just hear these beautiful sounds, the birds, and watch the wildlife. I'm sitting here looking at a little raccoon over there checking out those people's campsite from yesterday, seeing if he can here he goes right there. But I think about all those years. You know, it's Monday morning right now. All the millions of people that are just sitting in a car somewhere, idly cruising, or, just sitting there bumper to bumper, waiting to get to work, and, all the things that are going on somewhere else. But somehow or another, with all 6 billion people on the planet, there's just me here. And there's this, I don't know, man, it's sort of a quaint feeling in feeling that. All those people on the planet, and right now I'm the only one here within miles. And all these sounds belong to me. All the animals, the river, the trees, it's all mine right now. I mean, who's going to challenge me for it? There's nobody here. Oh man, you gotta love this. And I got my big whopping cup of coffee. You can't beat this. Well, I just went down and threw my little line in the river a minute ago and had a big old trout come up and kind of turn at it, and I seen his big old belly, and kind of got me a little excited after yesterday, not even so much as just saw that one fish. And that might even have been the same guy, I don't know. But thought I'd run back up here and make me something to eat real quick, and I think I'll go back down there and see if I can catch him. I'm just going to do something simple this morning, some fiber and protein, maple and brown sugar oatmeal. I've been on sort of a fast the past few days. I had gained 6 or 8 pounds, and when you have a heart condition, you have to be kind of careful with that, because that could mean some other things. So just like, I haven't really eaten since yesterday at breakfast. So I went about 24 hours of just, I had a few swigs of orange juice and a bunch of water yesterday, but other than that, I really haven't eaten anything. And so I'm going to do the fiber and protein maple and brown sugar oatmeal this morning and kind of let that tide me over. Let's see if I can drop a couple of these pounds. That was good. Is this a little pretty little spot or what? It's like I said this morning, it's like I got the whole forest to myself right now, being a Monday. I mean, a weekday experience and a weekend experience is just like two different, you know, two completely different scenarios when you're out in the wilderness like this. Nothing seems interested in my little yellow dough ball. They're supposed to have stocked this place Thursday and Friday. I don't know if the water temperature is just too warm for these trout to be aggressive, or what's going on. I'm gonna well, what do you know? We managed to snag one. It feels pretty good too. He got my drag going. There he is. Oh, nice rainbow. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful rainbow right there. Man. Yeah, he might. Hey buddy, looks like you might be my lunch. Let's see what we can do about getting him out of here. I didn't bring my net down. Oh well. Catch and release. Boy, he looked tasty, didn't he? That was a big old pounder right there. Doggone it. After my luck here the last couple of days, I was sure looking forward to eating that delicious looking dude. But you know what? There's got to be more in here. Well, the secret honey hole seems to be up underneath that bridge up in there. So, let's try this again. See what happens. Oh, we got us another one here. Oh, this is a big old boy here. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to give him some drag. Guess what I got with me now? My net. Ooh, he's a big one too. Man, there's some nice fish in this hole. Ooh, he's a good looking fish. Man. There he is. Oh yeah, beautiful rainbow. Man. That's a pretty fish right there. Ooh, he's strong too. All right, he got that hook out of him. No, he didn't. Yeah, it's still in there. Doggone, boy, they swallow that stuff. Well, there he is right there in my sink, ready to be cleaned. He's a tasty looking fish, isn't he? Well, he'll be the star of the lunchtime show here on the Old Biker Dude Show today. Now, the secret to this stuff is you got to like set it in the cold water for a minute and let it kind of harden up. But let's try it again right up underneath the bridge, and here we go. We've caught 3 in about 30 minutes here. Something playing with it. Oh! Believe we missed him that time. Yep. Alright, we've got a smart thief down there. Let's see what we can do about this. Something playing with it. Well, it looks like we hooked another one. That's, it feels pretty good. Oh, that was a good pull right there. He got the drag going a little bit. Oh yeah, come on. Oh boy, he does feel good. Still haven't seen him, but he feels good. He got, oh my goodness, look at here. Oh, believe we got the Troutosaurus Rex, everybody. Here he is. Oh, oh my goodness. Ooh boy, he just won't come up. Let's see if I can get him to do a belly roll. Oh man. Oh, yes, this is what we come to the game for right here. Oh my goodness, look at that big old boy. Oh yeah, that's a big old fish right there. I might have to clean him, put him in the refrigerator, and eat him for dinner. Oh my goodness, look at here. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful fish. Man alive, looky there. Oh yeah, it's the biggest one yet right there. He barely fits in my net. 17, 18 incher right there. Well, is this fun or what, y'all? Man, I went ahead and let that one go back in. It looked like she was full of eggs. And while I know these stockers usually aren't able to reproduce out here, you know, there's always that small chance that maybe she'll be able to get those eggs fertilized. And you just never know. And, you know, I got me a big old fish for lunch. I think I'm gonna catch one more. The little kid in me wants to catch one more. Well, that's 4 nice big trout, one of which was real big, in the last 42 minutes. You know what? Where's that trout guy that lives up here that made me look foolish last year? Boy, I wish he was here today. I believe I'm ready for a rematch. What do y'all think? Let's, why don't y'all go to the Trout Guy's channel and put on there that you think Old Biker Dude's ready for a rematch. It's the Trout Guy. Y'all ought to subscribe to his channel if y'all like fast action trout fishing, because he's the best. Ain't no doubt about that. But you know what? I believe I'm ready to give him a go now. Y'all go on there and comment on his last video. Say, hey, Old Biker Dude's ready for a rematch. He's calling you out. Okay. Well, that concludes this afternoon's version of the Old Biker Dude Fishing Show. Now it's time for the Old Biker Dude's lunchtime cooking show. Man, that was fun. Time for lunch. See if we can get that tail up there on the flame. Let it catch up. Oh man, that fish is looking good.